Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 16th, and this is my analysis of the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is a 1-2, and I think this is all subdivisions of a wave 3, which you can actually see the subdivisions on the monthly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave 3. Now, we may be getting close to ending a wave 3, but it potentially could go up to the 223.6, right around the 168 area, potentially before it actually does make a wave 4 and make a wave 5. So I still think that we are very, very long time away from ending this uptrend on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the weekly is where you can start to see the subdivision. I think this is a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and potentially we are in a wave 3 of 5 of wave 3 right now. Now we are at a fib level. Doesn't really look like it wants to respect that level. It looks almost like it might be more likely that it does head up to the 223. At least until I see a reason on the weekly and daily that this is not going up anymore, like a big significant break of structure to the downside, I am definitely still looking for longs on these sort of time frames. Heading down to the daily, I was originally thinking that the ABC was over right here, but now looking at what happened, I think it's extremely clear this turned into a 3-3-5 pattern. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down. Almost an equal high, a little bit of a lower low. That is a very, very good example of a regular flat. I think that we are going up now, and I think potentially we may go up to those higher fib levels like I was showing on the weekly time frame. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hours, this is where you can see the 1, 2, 3 waves down, wave A, 1, 2, 3 waves up, wave B. This to me is more like a trend, so I think that's a 3-3-5 pattern. I think it definitely respected the 50%. I think it's more likely that this is going to continue on the 4 hour time frame to make higher highs, higher lows, and most likely just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I think we had a little subdivision going on here. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a 1. I think it's more likely this is an ABC of 2, and I'm hoping that this is now in a wave 3. Definitely looks like it's in a wave 3, and if it is a wave 3, then it definitely should continue to make those higher highs, higher lows. Like I said, I'm definitely still looking for longs, and I'm definitely still looking to get long at every pullback I see for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and gives you access to my swing trade setups at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.